What is going on, guys? Justin OVO update back again with another video. And today, guys, you read the title right. The official Drake-Nike collaboration has now officially been announced on Drake's Instagram last night. So around 12:30 in the morning, Drake did make a post of a trailer, and we're gonna go over that. We're gonna maybe point out some things you didn't notice in the video the first time around. We're gonna talk about my thoughts and opinions, what's gonna drop, what's not gonna drop, and we're gonna talk about some of the clothing we've seen from the collection. So without further ado, guys, let's get straight into today's video. So as you guys can see, it starts off with a pan of the water, which is actually a Lake Ontario here in Toronto, and then a huge pan of the city at nighttime. This video was actually filmed 2 days ago, so my boy was actually downtown at Harborfront, just happened to be there, and he saw the whole crew with the drones, the cameras all down there filming the video, and he actually showed me the logo in the air real time with the drones. So the actual video was shot on Monday. So let's keep it going, and as you can see, the pan of the city with the shooting stars. Some people said it's 3 CN Towers. I'm not too sure, but that logo right there, guys, is going to be the main logo used in this collection. As you guys saw from the Laugh Now Cry Later video, he used this logo as well, and we've seen it many times, whether it's on that Nike ad or on that hoodie he wore. So this will be the main logo used throughout the collection. I'm sure we'll get a meaning of what these are very, very soon, but as of now, we don't really know. Could be shooting stars. If you guys do know, let me know. Drop a comment down below. I'm not too sure the meaning and everything as of now, but I'm sure we'll find out very soon. Anyways, let's continue with the video. And all those lights in the air are all individual drones. So really, it's just a pan of the actual logo in front of the city skyline, which looks absolutely insane. And then it ends right there. And he gives us the date with the Nike logo. For a lot of people that weren't in touch with what's going on with Drake and Nike, this probably came out of nowhere for them, but of course you guys know how we do it over here at Update. We knew that this was coming. So the date is 12/18/2020. That is December 18th. And honestly, guys, I am a lot more excited for this than the CLB merch with Nike, just because this is a line that's gonna stay with Drake potentially forever. This is going to be a permanent thing from Drake that could be lasting a lifetime. Now, under the video Drake did post on Instagram, he did leave an @ down in the description, which was 12/18/2020, and if you were there fast enough, you were able to follow the page before it was privated. And if you're on that page, you get to see this photo up on screen. That looks to be the puffer jacket. They are dropping part of the collection on December 18th. As of now, they haven't posted anything else. Definitely request to follow that page if you're not in already, because they're going to be posting, I'm sure, everything to do with the collaboration on that page. If you guys do want to see a more elaborate video and going into detail on the actual collection, let me know. And if you guys want to stay updated on the full Nocta collection, everything OVO, everything Drake related, you're definitely going to want to follow the page. So drop a subscribe, drop a like down below, because we got tons and tons of Drake related, OVO related, lifestyle related content on the way. Because like I said, guys, this December, this holiday is going to be insane. Now, as to what happened to my Instagram account, we're going to talk about in a future video. But as of now, the Instagram is currently disabled, which really sucks. But you guys can follow me over on Twitter at OVO Updated, and that's where I'm going to be posting all the updates as soon as possible, and all information regarding the collaboration as well. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.